I certainly hope you know what you're doing.
Ah! My goodness! Stop! Ah! Oh dear!
All right.
No! Shut up!
All right. Let me take care of that wound for you.
Oh!
I killed 12 dumbass scientists and not one of them fought back. This sucks.
Oh my. A fellow scientist. Well, so much for the government. Their idea of containment is to kill everything.
Freeze! That'll look nice in my trophy. Hey, step off!
We got hostiles!
That's odd.
Freeze!
Thank God you're here. I believe so. What a peculiar odor. Okay, what the hell is going on with our equipment? Let's get out of here.
Hey! Eat this, you bastard!
Is that all you got? Medic! Nice hit.
I wish it hadn't come to this.
Your ass is heavy! Damn, bogies!
Don't be ridiculous. Hurry up, Freeman!
You're out!
You fool!
Got nothing. Got you! Shit!
Whoa, that was close.
My God, what are you doing?